Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Ram 1500 with a key. First, ensure your vehicle is in a safe, stationary position. Then, take your key and insert it completely into the ignition cylinder. Before attempting to start, always double-check that your transmission is firmly in either park or neutral. This crucial step ensures the vehicle will not unexpectedly move, providing a safe starting environment for everyone around. Understanding the different ignition positions is key to proper vehicle operation. The OFF position means everything is powered down. Moving to ACC allows you to use accessories, like your radio, without the engine running. The ON position fully powers your vehicle's electrical systems, preparing it for ignition. Finally, the start position briefly engages the starter motor, which cranks the engine to begin the combustion process, bringing your Ram 1500 to life. Sometimes, your Ram 1500 might not start on the first try. Don't worry, there are a few common issues you can troubleshoot. First, check your battery terminals for any corrosion or loose connections. These can impede power flow. Also, confirm you have enough fuel in the tank. If you hear a rapid clicking sound when turning the key, it often points to a low or dead battery. Lastly, ensure your steering wheel isn't locked, as this prevents the key from turning. To ensure the longevity of your Ram 1500 starting system, follow these best practices. Do not hold the key in the start position for more than about 5 seconds. Prolonged cranking can damage the starter. If the engine doesn't start immediately, wait at least 10 to 15 seconds before trying again. This allows the starter motor to cool down. Also, regularly check your key for wear, and having a programmed spare key is always a smart move for peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.